In today's video, quick life update, how I stay organized, and share ko sa inyo sneak peek ng future content natin. Let's go! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. And kung bago kayo dito, my name is Jacob. This channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So for today's video, gusto ko lang mag-quick life update at the same time. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung productivity flow ko, how I stay organized, and I want to show you guys some of the future content that I have in store. Admittedly, bago ako naging YouTuber, medyo disorganized yung life ko. And ngayon, share ko sa inyo yung productivity secret ko on how I stay productive and how I organize and plan out my life using Notion. So this video is sponsored by Notion. Kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ang Notion, Notion is a productivity app that can help you with your workflow and can put structure in your life. Honestly, nung inorganize ko and pinlan out ko yung mga days ko, yung mga goals ko, significantly nagbago yung buhay ko. Not just financially, but also emotionally, mentally, physically. Notion is a one-stop shop in terms of organizing your life. So you can put your goals there, organize your calendar, your workflow, training program. So for today's video, share ko sa inyo how I use Notion to organize everything in my life. Let's go! So here we are. And upon opening, ganito yung itsura niya. You can set up your workspace how you want it to look like. So ako personally, ito yung itsura ng workspace ko kasi ako nag-set up nito. Yung kagandahan ng Notion is that you can organize it and you can make it aesthetic. Ikaw bahala sa look. Nakaka-intimidate siya at first, yes, but it's actually very simple to use. Gagamitin mo lang talaga siya as a giant notepad. Ako kasi prior to this, I was using my laptop's calendar, I was using Microsoft Word, I was using notes. So iba-iba. So kalat-kalat yung thoughts ko. So minsan ang daming tabs na nakabukas. With Notion, I put everything here. From goals to online coaching, editor's notes to my content, and yung mga ideas ko so far. Share ko lahat yun sa inyo. Upon opening, you will see, ito yung first page ko. Ito yung mga personal goals ko. You can actually edit everything in here. So for example, itong cover page natin, ako sinet ko lang siya rocket kasi personal goals. Pero you can change it to, kunyari, astronaut. Ito. Boom. One click. And ayan, pwede mo i-reposition. You can even download from the internet. Now, ito, you can change the emoji as well. You can even upload an image, pero ginamit ko na lang yung rocket ship para naman bagay sa astronaut. Ito yung mga personal goals ko na i-share ko na sa inyo since ito yung first page natin. So for my goals, initially 200k subscribers, pero na-hit na natin yun. So thank you so much for subscribing, guys. It means a lot to me. How I use it is nag-i-input ako ng mga goals na gusto kong i-achieve. So for example, meron kaming clothing line na palabas. I wanted to launch this 2021, pero mahirap kasi pandemic. So, hindi kami makalabas and all. Hopefully, within the year, maka-launch kami kasi may products na rin. Next up, phone upgrade. I want to upgrade my phone. Being a content creator kasi guys, lagi kong gamit yung phone ko, lagi kong gamit yung camera ko. So, maganda na yung camera ng phone ko. And this one's pretty old. Maxed out na yung memory. Gusto ko mag-upgrade within the year to an iPhone 13 Pro or a Pro Max, ganyan. Literally anything you want to put here, ikaw bahala. Yun yung mga main goals ko this 2021. So next ko naman is to have 300,000 subscribers kung swertehin tayo kasi kaka 200 lang natin. Pero who knows, we still have 4 months this year. Other than that, you can input any goal that you want. So for example, sabihin natin, make 50,000 pesos by December. So that's how I really input in terms of my own personal goals. Now yung weekly goals, ito naman serves as a reminder na ito yung mga dapat kong ginagawa such as for example, 1 to 2 uploads a week. Currently, nagagawa ko 1, minsan 2. Pero syempre, marami kasing gina-juggle na work. Tapos, I try to get 2 to 3 new content ideas per week. Kasi half the battle of being a YouTuber is really to think of new content. When it comes to my fitness goals naman, yung weekly target ko talaga sa sarili ko is to at least train or lift weights mga 5 times a week with my program. Tapos, I try to get 8 to 10k steps a day, every day for a week. Consistent yan. And 3 times 20 minutes cardio per week lang yan. So, ito yung mga basic weekly goals ko to remind myself. Other than that, alam nyo namang online coach ako, diba? So let's go to the online coaching workspace. Ito, you can add your workspace. So for example, gusto kong gumawa ng bagong workspace. I want to make, let's say, sabihin natin, financial goals, separate. Tap mo lang yung add page. Tapos you can do whatever you want. You can input whatever you want. You can create an entire page on its own, financial goals. Sabihin natin ganyan. You can add the icon, patpayong. We can type money. Boom. So you can add the cover page. Kung gusto nyo mag-add ng cover page, sabi ko nga kanina. So let's add, we can check online. So money, let's use this one. Yan. Yan yung gagamitin niyang background for your new tab. When you are trying to input new stuff, pwede ka mag-new template, you can input texts, headings, whatever you want to do. So for example, gusto mo ng table, yan, mas gusto mo ng structure, you can add that. Kung gusto mo ng chart, Tapos you can delete it lang, sobrang dali. Now, makikita nyo dito yung mga options nyo. You can get templates from other people. So may mga ibang tao gumagawa sila ng templates nila. So for example, financial goals, you want to make a budget tracker, something like that, you can get it sa templates. Yan, sobrang dami mong mapapagkuhanan, makatulong. If you're studying, pwede kang kumuha ng template for lesson plan, class directory, makikita mo lang kung Beedle ka or something, di ba? It's really simple to use, guys. Naka-intimidate lang siya sa start, pero once you keep using it, dadali siya. So for this example, delete na natin si financial goals kasi hindi ko siya gagamitin. I want to show you guys what else I have. So as you all know, online coach ako. So next up, we have online coaching client, di ba? So let's add a cover. Di bagay itong cover na to. Let's change to fitness. Hanap tayo fitness. So dumbbells. Boom. You guys can make it as aesthetic as you want it to be. Kayo na bahala dun. Now, for online coaching clients, meron akong Monday group and Wednesday group na kino-coach. For the Monday group, I want to show you an example. Pagka-click ko, ito, I can't show you the private one dito kasi, syempre, client confidentiality. So, I gave an example of how it looks using myself. Okay? So, instantly may picture ko. Ito yung start ng bulk ko. So, I was around 185 pounds. Pagka-open mo, makikita mo participation. So, how often do I communicate with a coach? 5 stars. Kasi may mga ibang clients ako na hindi masyadong responsive ganyan. So I give them like 2 stars, 3 stars, depende. So that's how I rate them, no? Tapos may Google Drive kasi kami. Din yung shared sheet namin as clients. So I also link it here. So if I click this, dediretso ako sa Google Sheet ko. But let's not get to that na. You can also add different links, properties, whatever you want to add. Tapos ito yung mga important notes for Jacob. So starting weight ko 185. I took a diet break. August 2 to August 15, 2 weeks siya. Tapos, pinaka-challenge for me is to limit alcohol kasi I kind of enjoy it too much. So, nasa-compromise yung diet ko. So, ganyan din ginagawa ko with my clients. Nililista ko sa notes kung ano yung mga things na sa tingin ko pwede naming baguhin. One look, malalaman ko kagad na, okay, ito yung challenge niya. Tapos, every week, pag nag-update kami, makikita ko kung nagbabago ba yung lifestyle, ganyan. Ano ba yung mga nangyari sa buhay niya. So, for example, na-injure ako, diba? Sabihin natin, injured shoulder. So, may idea ako one look na, okay, the past week baka hindi ganoon kaganda yung training niya kasi injured niya yung shoulder niya, di ba? So something like that. So marami to actually with the Monday group and Wednesday group. In each individual client I have, may data ako dito kasi syempre, the more that I get to monitor them, mas natutulungan ko talaga sila. So next up, let's go more on the YouTube side of things. So Roy's notes, simple lang yan. Roy is my editor kung hindi nyo pa siya kilala. May video ako, I'll link it somewhere here. Ito siya nag-i-input ng mga goals niya for me or yung mga gusto niyang gawin ko. Anyway, DJ kasi si Roy. So, DJ yung cover photo natin at the same time, tong emoji natin, notes. So, gusto niya gawin ko is mag-shoot na ako in 4K and gusto niyang gandahan yung mga B-rolls ko. Now, I'm so lucky to have Roy kasi syempre, he looks out for the production quality ng videos natin. Kaya, mahalata niyo pag siya nag-edit versus kung ako. Meron din akong link dito, shared B-roll namin. So for example, if may new video ako, I just send it over to him, tapos he just clicks this. Dito ko din na-dump lahat ng B-roll ko for him to edit. So this is just like an empty canvas, tong entire area na to, for him to play around with, for him to input whatever I need to see. Kasi syempre, I look at it from here. Next up, we have the video ideas. So ito yung YouTube video ideas ko, guys. As a content creator, napaka-importante nito. I have to have structure. Ito yung actually yung one of the most important parts of being a YouTuber is to have, being a good YouTuber, kailangan consistent ka with the content and kailangan maganda yung content mo. So I'll share with you guys ito, sneak preview ng mga content na nakapila na. I have the content name, I have the content theme, and I have the type of episode. Let's start with the content idea name. So ito yung mga content na naiisip ko. Kasi guys, minsan spur of the moment lang yan eh. Parang nag-workout ako, biglang boom! I thought of this content, so lilista ko siya kaagad. Now, kung kayo gagamit ng Notion, hindi nyo kailangan na dagdagan ng mga emojis, ganyan. But ako personally, mas gusto ko yung may aesthetic ng konti. So, how fitness changed my life. Yan, tapos nag-yoga yung guy. Diba? You can add a cover photo, pero it's over the top na if I keep doing that. Content themes nitong how I changed my life, motivational, informative, experience-based. You can change the color. So, one tap, ayan o. You can type rin, kunyari, inspirational. Boom. Tapos we just simply change the color, orange. Yeah. So inspirational video, tapos the type of episode, pwede mong baguhin yan. Guys, you can make it whatever you want it to be. So talking head video siya. So itong type of video na ginagawa ko ngayon, talking head, diba? Yung nagkikwento lang ako tapos biglang may B-roll na lalabas. Now ito yung different kinds of videos that I have, vlog, workout, client. So ito nililista ko lang yung bullet points ng meat ng content. So nakikita nyo na. So panoorin nyo pa rin yung next video ko. But for example, gusto ko 6, diba? Ano pa bang ginawa? Got girls, diba? Got chicks. So got chicks, boom. Diba? So ganyan lang, sample lang naman. But that's how I use it. Minsan Roy gives me ideas din, so nagpipitch kami ng ideas. So it's a collaborative thing. Nakikita rin niya to. So tulungan talaga. Ito yung mga future video ideas na gagawin ko. So take a look. Kung may gusto kayong video topic, let me know down in the comments below. Kasi syempre I always want to listen to what you guys want. I always try to make whatever you guys want kung ano makatulong sa inyo. So let me know down in the comments below ano yung content ideas na gusto niyo. Ito talaga yung pinakagamit na gamit. Personally, ito yung collection of thoughts ko. Next up, content calendar. Ito yung mga previous videos. So makikita ko yung timeline ng upload ko. Pag tapos na ako sa title and all, dito ko siya ipe-paste. Tapos anong date. Check ko lang kung kailan ko siya ginawa. Kung kailan ko siya na-upload. So kung tapos na ba to? Okay, yes, tapos na. So ako, I actually found this template, no? So again, you can use whatever templates you want. You can change the view as well. So meron kang calendar view and meron kang table view. So yung calendar view, papakita niya kung kailan sa calendar mo in-upload yung video. So ito 8 benefits, tapos Saturday paano maging sponsored, Sunday next week, top 12 murang protein. So depende on what your preference is in terms of view. You can add different views, pero for me, mas gusto ko yung table view because it's my own personal preference na na-enjoy ko yung view na ganito. Next up, we have yung shared calendar. As a YouTuber kasi dito sa Philippines, 1/6 lang yung kinikita namin compared to international viewers. So I don't really earn a lot in terms of ad revenue. No, it's really the brand deals and online coaching that really makes money for me. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung content calendar ko. Kung nakita nyo na sa IG posts ko, I am a talent of Unbox Creator Network. So I do have a manager. Minsan may mga brand deals siyang pinipitch sa akin, tatanggapin ko. Tapos I have to make content for the brand. So kailangan structured kind, organized ka kasi may mga deadlines ka na as a content creator. No? For example, let's check August. August was really packed for me in terms of coaching and brand deals. Tsaka yung regular YouTube uploads. So, all these things, guys, nag-iipon-ipon yan. So, nakapagod talaga siya. Having more structure, such as something like this, really helps me. Now, si Lee, shout out Lee. Lee is my manager. Si Lee yung minsan nag-update rin ito. Like, for example, reminder, Jacob, meron kang upload, meron tayong brand ganito, ganyan. So, yun ang update niya. So, if we take a look at this, brand X, yan, nakikita nyo na, brand X. But this was a brand deal that I had the previous month. If you're updated, makikita nyo na yan sa IG ko and all. So, si brand X, yan, may time, kung anong oras dapat mag-upload, Instagram post, story swipe up, para lang makita ko na may kailangan akong gawin for the day. Now again, Mondays and Wednesdays are coaching days, kaya napaka-busy niyan. I try not to film on Mondays and Wednesdays and do brand deals pag Mondays and Wednesdays kasi nakakapagod sobra. Pero may times na nagsasabay siya. For example, like this FB Live, I did an FB Live with a brand. Just to remind myself about all these targets, siniset ko na siya. So nakikita ko ahead pa lang, napaplan out ko yung week para alam ko, for example, if I'm gonna get more clients for coaching or if I am going to, have time to film a YouTube video, ganyan. Depende sa schedule. But ayun, it's basically how I use Notion. Kita niya dito, let's click this one. Brand F, si Lee, she's the one who updated this one. Having a lot of things on my plate, hindi ko naman maalala lahat yan. So I'm really blessed to have her. Shout out Lee, thank you for the reminder always. It's really a collaborative thing, parang with Roy. So I have Roy in here, I have Lee, tsaka si Janina also, another account manager. Shout out Janina if you're watching. So tulungan talaga kasi I can't do it on my own. Tsaka sobrang hindi ako magiging organized kung ako lang. So guys, kung gusto nyo mag-try ng Notion, I will link it in the description below. I swear guys, nakaka-intimidate lang siya sa start, pero once you start using it, it will help you organize your life, your work. If you're a student, it's a game changer for productivity. I want to give a huge shout out to Notion for sponsoring this video. And kayo guys, may gusto ba kayong makitang content from me? Let me know down in the comments below kasi I try my best to reply to each and every one of you. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. My name is Jacob. Leave me a like and I'll see you guys in the next video.